What is up? Welcome to Wandering the World. If you are new to this channel, my name is Juan, and I am a wanderlust vlogger. For the past 2 years, I have traveled by car, plane, and train all across the US. The purpose of this channel is to share my adventures with you in hopes that it provides insight or even inspiration. Today we'll be discussing nature versus city travel. Which is better? When I look back at my travels, I find myself always being drawn to the outdoors. Maybe it's because of the relief that comes from a long walk in the woods, a climb to a mountain overlook, or even spending time out on the lake. We have all felt this enough to use our vacation time to immerse ourselves in nature. In my previous video, I got an opportunity to visit an old friend out in Oregon. We spent 48 hours out in nature enjoying all the benefits. If you haven't watched that video yet, click the link above. As for the benefits of nature travel, where do I begin? Here I will do my best to give you my personal insight. As we all deal with the effects of this pandemic, don't overlook the power of sunlight. Sunlight is scientifically proven to build your autoimmune systems. So getting outside is super valuable. Besides all the health benefits, I plan my activities when I travel around sunrise and sunset, trying to maximize the amount of time I'm out in the sunlight. Another benefit, in my opinion, is that nature travel can offer a reset. Sometimes as I move along day to day, I find that my overall enthusiasm to life tends to slowly decrease. So seeking outdoor adventure is a way that I combat that. Some researchers have even found a link between time in nature and an increase in vitality and overall energy. So hitting that reset button has always allowed me to feel energized and refreshed as I go into my daily life. Is it possible to gain any of these benefits traveling in cities? Of course, but unlucky for me, in today's video, I make my way to a city that only has 58 clear days a year, one of the lowest in the country, so finding sunlight is gonna be a challenge. Seattle, Washington marks the halfway point on my AMTRAK rail pass. So let's watch and see if there is any of these benefits to city traveling. Enjoy. All right, so we're out here in Seattle at Dick's Drive-In Restaurant. We ordered some burgers, some shakes, some people out here doing some crazy things, doing some good things. We are in downtown Seattle.
Yep.
Right? This is my day 7, so I'm halfway there on my journey to try to see as many things as I possibly can. Sun's out. Enjoying.
Juan brought the sun.
I did.
It's a
I
gorgeous
am the
day in
sunshine.
Seattle.
Bringing the sunshine with me. So we're gonna spend the whole day exploring Seattle and see what we can see. We are here and we'll pretend like we put, look, this is my gum that I put right there. See? Right there.
Guaranteed way to get COVID-19.
Super close to the one and only spaceship that takes you to outer space. That's why I'm here, obviously.
Also where Men in Black happened. Yeah.
Yep. But for me as an alien, this is where I come to go back to my planet.
Oh, is
right?
Okay.
The spaceship there.
Are you leaving me right now? Is this your?
No.
Is this the point? What's that
this,
over here?
This may be where I say goodbye. We are at Cary Park here in Seattle, Washington. I'm originally from Kansas. Where are you from?
Woo! I'm from Anacortes, Washington.
Washington.
And I am from University Place, Washington.
Perfect. Everybody here, I'm sure, is from Washington. I'm the only outcast here.
Technically, I was born in fucking Idaho.
Okay. The last thing to do on our Grey's Anatomy superfan list is to ride the ferry. What's the bay called, or what's the water?
We're gonna ride the West Seattle Ferry.
But what's the body of water that we're on?
Oh, the Puget Sound.
On the Puget Sound.
Puget.
Puget. Yes. Weird name, but hey, we'll go with it. Thank you so much for watching, friends. If you are new to the channel and are finding value in behind the scenes travel content, click the subscribe button so that you don't miss the rest of this series and more that is to come. I am Juan, and this channel is Wandering the World. We'll catch you on the next one.